Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am going to do an unboxing video of some mystery mixed media grab bags that I purchased from Rangers Inc. I received an email 2 or 3 days ago for the grab bags and jumped all over that deal. It was $11.99 plus shipping per bag, and mixed media. You can't go wrong. So for that price, I bought 3 bags, and I thought I would do an unboxing of the bags. I did open one so that we can jump right into this. And also, I'm just so excited. I want to see what's in the bags. I will say the bags are heavy and unshaking because, you know, I shake everything that I get. It sounds to me like there's a lot of liquidy type, maybe sprays or paints, because you can hear like the little metal balls that are inside the spray cans or it's paint bottles and stuff like that. Like, hear that? This is one of my distressed mica stains that I keep on my desk. I hear a lot of that in these bags, so I'm thinking there's going to be a lot of that. So let's get right into this. This is a package with 3 items. Let's see what's in here. Some white gesso, Dina Wakley. Distress paint in the color Rusty Hinge. Cool. Another of the white gesso. You can't go wrong with that. Let's see what else is in here. Can you see that? There is a lot of paints and sprays in here, it looks like. We have Distress Paint, Twisted Citron. I am not mad about this at all. I am in heaven right now. Here we have some Dylusions Mica Spray. This is the color Bubblegum. I don't think I have any of the Dylusions. I have Dylusions sprays, but I don't think it's the mica sprays. I never got them. Oh, this is so cool. Here we have Wendy Vecchi mica spray in the color Pearl. Cool. Now, if I have 3 bags full of this stuff, I'm not going to be mad. I will be in heaven. Here we have Buttercup. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, more paint. Mermaid Lagoon. Cracked Pistachio. I mean, guys, look, this right here is just well over 11 bucks. Well over. Each of the sprays are anywhere between like $5 and $6. Hello. Mica spray and evergreen. This is perfect. Oh my god. Look at this color. This blue is beautiful. It's called Lapis. Lapis Lazuli is one of my favorite stones. Oh gosh, this is awesome. And then we have, this looks like Abandoned Coral. Distress paint in the color Abandoned Coral. And Black Soot. Distress spray stain. That is so cool. So that's all that was in that bag. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprays. I think this is a paint too. 5 paints and 2 of the bottles of gesso for $11.99. That is so worth every penny and then some. And I tell you, I got 3 bags. So let's open another one. Oh, I do hope the colors are different. Let's see. One can hope. Oh my goodness. It's another bag full. The colors look similar. Let's see. I think I'm just going to pour it out this time. Oh yeah, the colors do look similar. Yes, here we have another Buttercup. Abandoned Coral. Evergreen. So definitely they are the same. Lapis. Pearl. Bubblegum. I mean, they are identical. Mermaid Lagoon. Cracked Pistachio. Twisted Citron. Black Soot. And then we have the bag. I wonder why they packaged these separately. With the, in this case, we have another Black Soot. This time in paint. This is a spray. This is the spray. This is Distress Spray Stain. And then this one is the, I can't say the word, Distress Paint. So that's cool. And more of the gesso. So that is awesome. I suspect this third bag is probably going to be the same. And I'm wondering, yeah, I'm going to hold off opening this one because I suspect it's going to be the same as the first 2 that I opened up. So I'm going to hold off on this one and put it to the side and think what I want to do with it. I might just send this off to someone who I know will appreciate it. So I think that is going to conclude this share. So I ordered this maybe 1 or 2 days ago. It got here super quick and I wanted to do the unboxing right away in case anyone is interested. I checked earlier today and they still had some bags available. I don't know if that's the case by the time this video posts. That is going to be my share for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I know I haven't been posting very many crafty videos lately, and that is not because I'm not crafting. I am, but because I'm crafting at kind of like weird hours of the night, and sometimes I just want to sit down and craft and not worry about filming. And also I am having so much fun right now with my Girl Scouts. We are working on Silver Awards and I'm having so many meetings with them, so many things we're doing. I'm super excited about many of the projects that my girls are planning and organizing. And so right now I'm just enjoying my troop, our projects, and doing stuff outside and not necessarily in front of a camera. All that being said, I do plan on returning to filming more tutorial-like videos, but in the meantime, I'm going to be sharing some unboxings with you. I've also done some vintage thrifting that I cannot wait to share with you. When you see what I found at Savers, done. I was done when I saw these items, and for the price, I hurt my bag carrying the bag home. I got so much, but I will share that with you in another video. Thank you, my friends, for watching. I truly do appreciate you, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.